Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another Hot Wheels, and this is a very special car. This is a Hot Wheels Premium Kool Kombi, right? People say Kombi, doesn't matter. This is from their pop culture series. So this is a little bit disappointing that we are getting just pop culture series cars in India, but I think from my point of view, this is also good. They are not that bad that you are getting in India, right? So I have seen people importing other cars in the double price. So if you're getting this pop culture series as a collector, I think you should have all the cars that you like. If you don't like, just don't buy it. So this one I liked, right? This you can see 80 and metal over there, and you are seeing here also, right? The 80 metal branding and all. So the point is like I have seen like people are getting this pop culture little bit hate, but those are like peg warmers, right? They will be there. So just don't care about them. Just collect what you want, what you like. That's all. So let's see it now, right? Uh, this one is very cool. I like the. I never have any Kombi in my collection. So this is the first one, Volkswagen written over here. Then some branding over up. This is 8080 written over there. Also 80 metal on the back. There are some detailings. The exhaust as well. This is having rubber tires and the base is metal. The body is metal. Headlight looks cool. Volkswagen branding is cool. And I got this for around 450 or something on from Amazon. Just got some discount on it from Amazon actually. So I just bought it. So yeah, that's all for this car, guys. Pretty heavy, but if you like it, you can collect it. Very good red color car. That's all from my side, guys. Just want to tell you about my views on the pop culture series that is being imported in India, right? So yeah, we'll meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.